Good morning, dear friends. In today's video, I will discuss the new topic that is interpolation and extrapolation. So firstly, I will explain the formula, how we have to calculate the sums by using this matrix. So in this chapter, binomial expressions will be used. This expression helps in determining the equation of a given unknown. That means if we have expression y minus 1 raised power n, then it is equal to y raised power n minus n y raised power n minus 1 plus n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial y raised power n minus 2 and so on. So in the table, I have written when the number of known values and binomial expansion. When there is number of known values is 2, then the binomial expansion will be delta 0 raised power 2 is equal to y2 minus 2y1 plus y0 equal to 0. When there is 3 unknown values, then delta 0 raised power 3 is equal to y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y0 equal to 0. When there is the known values 4, then y0 0 is equal to y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 plus 4y1 plus y0 is equal to 0. Similarly, for 5, 6, 7, 8, we can calculate these expressions. And I will tell you the simplest method, that is by Pascal triangles, we can use this expression and we can retain very easily. So I will explain how we have to use a Pascal triangle. That means in the Pascal triangles, we firstly start with the 1. Then for the we can say 1 and 1, that means extreme point, and addition of 1 and 1 is a 2. For the 3 known values, we will use again extreme point is 1, 1. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is again 3. Then again extreme point is 1 and 1. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then again extreme point is 1, 1. And 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we can compare this with this table. That means how this is used as if we talk about two values. That means two variables. y2, that is y2, if I am using this one, that means I can take y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. Then for the y3, three values, delta 0 raised power 3 is equal to y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y0. That means similarly I can use from this one. This is we can say y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y. That means plus minus alternate signs we can take. For the 4 values, I can take y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0. So I can compare this Pascal triangle formula with this binomial expansion. This is the easy way to retain this formula. Now I will explain the sums. That means how we have to calculate the sums. That is, this is the illustration. The following table gives the amount Y of cement in 1,000 tons produced in India in year X. Find the amount of cement produced in the year 1990. That means in 1990, we have to find the amount of cement produced. So here X is given. X is 1986, 1988, 1992, 1994, 1996. And Y is given 39, 85, 151, 264, 388. So how the solution will be? We have to calculate the amount of cement produced in the year 90. And 90 is not mentioned here, but we have to find the value of 90. Yes. So solution, let the missing value of 1990 as taken X. I have considered the value of 1990 is X. Then we will prepare table for advancing differences as under. Firstly, I have written year 1986, 1988, 1990. This is the missing. And 1992, 1994, 1996. I have mentioned this as the X note. This is as the X1. This as the X2, then X3, X4, X5. Then Y is given 39, 85, and 90 here is the value is missing. So I have written as a X. and this is 151, this is 264, 368. I have considered this as a y0, this as a y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Now, I will firstly formulate this first column. How I have to calculate the first column? Delta 0. Delta 0 I am taking in between y0 and y1. Delta 0, that is 85 minus 39. How I will calculate? 85 minus 39, that is 46. Now delta 1. Delta 1 will be written in between y1 and y2. How I will calculate? X minus 85. That means same term minus preceding term. Then delta 2. Delta 2 I will write 151 minus x. Then delta 3, 264 minus 151. Then delta 4, 368 minus 264, I am getting 124. This is the first column I have formulated. Now, second column, how I have to formulate? This is the delta 0. Now, next is I will consider as a squares. In between delta 0 and delta 1, I will take delta 0 square. How delta 0 square? Same process. That means x minus 85 minus 46. I am getting x minus 131. Then in between delta 1 and delta 2, there is a delta 1 square. That means 151. 151 minus x plus 85. I am getting 236 minus 2x. Then delta 2 square is equal to 113 minus 151 plus x. So I am getting x minus 38. The next is in between delta 3 and delta 4, I am taking delta 3 the square. That means 124 minus 113, that is 11. Next, third column, how I have to formulate? In between delta 0 square and delta 1 square, there is a delta 0 cube. So the process is same. That means 236 minus 2x minus x plus 131. That means this term minus preceding term. 367 minus 3x. Then in between delta 1 and delta 2 square, I am getting delta 1 cube. That means x minus 38 minus 236 plus 2x. So I am getting 3x minus 3x minus, I'm getting 236 minus 2x minus x plus 131. That means 374. The next is delta 2 cube, that is 11 minus x plus 38, that is 49 minus x. Then fourth column I have formulated in between delta 0 raised power 3 and delta 1 power 3 is equal, this will be delta 0 power 4. It will be 3x minus 374 and 274, sorry, 274 minus 367 plus 3x, I am getting 6x minus 641. The next is delta 1 raised power 4. It will be in between delta 2 power 3 minus delta 1 raised power 3, that is 4x plus 323. Similarly, fifth column, I am getting delta 0, 5. This will be in between delta 1 raised power 4 minus delta 0 raised power 4 is minus 10x plus 964. The further it will not be possible. And since only one value to be interpolated, therefore here 5 values are given. Because we know that in the statement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are given. So fifth leading difference will be vanish. That means vanish means I am taking minus 10x plus 964 is equal to 0. So after simplification, I am getting x is equal to 96.4. This is the missing value for the 90-90. So the statement is that we have to calculate the amount of cement produced in the year 1990, that is the 96.4. This is the quantity of the cement produced in the 1990. So this is the sum of interpolations. That means we have interpolations. That means we have calculated the value by formulating the different tables. So this is the illustration. Thanks dear friend. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with other also.